Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Microsoft Word and the document you want to fix. Once open, go straight to File and glance at Account to confirm Office Edition and update status. Corporate policies may force themes. Make sure you have local admin or settings access if your device is managed. Next, select File Options General so you can change the Office theme. This is the first actionable step to remove dark mode from the app interface. Now change both the app theme and the page background. In File Options, General select Office theme to white or colorful. This flips the interface from dark to light. Once done, go to the Design tab and pick page color to white or no color so your document canvas shows light background. Also make sure Windows Settings Personalization Colors uses light for default app mode, because system-level dark mode can override some app elements. These finish by closing and reopening Word so theme and page color changes fully apply. Sometimes the UI needs a restart. Verify the document prints and exports with a white background. If dark mode persists, check accessibility settings for high contrast or color filters and temporarily disable add-ins. As a key troubleshooting tip, update Office, disable hardware graphics acceleration under File Options Advanced, and clear Office cache. These often resolve stubborn rendering or theme conflicts when the UI still shows dark elements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.